welcome to 5277 Hidden Stream Drive in Lewisville, located in the Covington Place subdivision. Upon entering the front door, you will notice that you have an office or sunroom located to your right. Then if we head over to our left into the formal dining room, you do have built-in cabinets. Then we're going to head a little bit further into the kitchen from the formal dining room. Here's the family eating area that then opens up into the living room. Then you can see the stairs heading upstairs to bedrooms 2 through 5. Now we're going to head back down the hall into the area where the master bedroom, laundry room, and half bath. Here's the garage. And it does have an access door to the outside. Here is the laundry room, which is located right off the master bedroom. We are now entering the master bedroom. And we're going to head into the master bathroom. Here's the massive walk-in closet. Dual sinks. Now we are going to head upstairs. We are now upstairs, and I just wanted to pause for a moment and show you all the view from the landing. As soon as you walk upstairs, the first thing you're going to see on your left is the walk-in attic. Here is one of the bathrooms upstairs. Then as you exit that bathroom, you head into the media room, which he has currently set up as a theater. This could also be used as a 5th bedroom. However, the theater equipment can remain for an additional price. This room also has a walk-in closet, which is currently used with storage for the media room. As you exit the 5th bedroom, there's another bedroom to your left. And again, it also has a walk-in closet. As you head back into the hall, if you turn left, it'll take you to the next 2 bedrooms. The bedroom on your left. And here's another Exiting the bedroom, there is another bathroom. And then as you head straight across, here's the final bedroom upstairs. And here is the closet located inside that room. As you can see, there is tons of natural light throughout the home. I'm now going to head downstairs and show you all the back deck. We are now walking outside onto the back deck from the living room. As you can see, it's rather large. There is also a natural gas hookup located on the deck for grilling. You do have a set of stairs that is heading down to the covered area off the basement. I would like to thank everyone for watching our video of 5277 Hidden Stream Drive in Lewisville, North Carolina. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to contact us at the Blue Door Group. My name is Amanda Manuel. My phone number is 336-596-2017. Thank you.